Today we're in Brooklyn, New York to visit the home of Violette.
Hi, how are you? Good, how are you?
Good to see you. Not only is she a makeup artist, but she's the global beauty director for Estée Lauder, and she's gonna take us inside her home and let us pillage through her beauty stash. We're gonna get an inside look at how she stores all of it. So where do you keep all of your stuff?
Well, there's two places.
Okay.
Let's see my personal one maybe first.
Okay.
And then we can see in my studio.
Let's go.
Cool.
How cute is this?
So this is my beauty sanctuary.
It's beautiful. It's very
Thank
bright
you.
and light. Where do you keep all of your makeup?
So makeup is over there.
Your vanity is so beautiful and very French.
Thank
of course.
you. This I designed it to fit the space perfectly, and so I could have like a few drawers to put my makeup.
You designed it yourself?
Yes, it's me.
She's so talented. Okay, so let's go through your stuff.
So you'll see it's not that crazy. I like to keep it minimum in a way.
Yeah.
I mean, for a makeup artist, I feel like for
This
regular
is
people.
very minimal, yeah.
If I have too much things, I'm gonna forget about it. I'm not gonna use it.
So this is the stuff you reach for every day.
So I love this foundation from Estée Lauder because it has a cushion and I'm always on the go, and I like that I don't have to touch my face with my finger, and that stays in place like all day, so it's amazing.
That lipstick I actually recognize.
Right? That's what you're wearing right now, puppy. I have one in my bag all the time, one on my desk, like it's
You have
everywhere. Yes.
Well, you should because you designed it, so yeah, it makes sense.
But I love that you're wearing the whole Puppy Sauvage look today, I must say. I was super excited to see you like this. This is like my favorite lip balm on earth.
What is it? Oh, the homeostasis. This is what you can get in a French pharmacy, right? Okay.
So I buy like 20 of them. It's like super used, but it's the best. I don't use homeoplasmine, the tube, because it dries my lips more, but this is actually amazing. Things I always use, so it's this. They just stopped it. This NYX.
Really?
Yes, copper.
NYX
I love
Jumbo
it.
Eye Pencil in bronze.
Love it. This is my favorite highlighter from ColourPop. I love the texture.
You can tell she loves it.
Right? Yes. I'm like a huge fan. That's really the thing that I'm gonna use
All the time. So you keep them out front and center.
Then here, concealer. I'm in love with the Laura Mercier concealer.
Concealer.
When you're olive skin like me and you work non-stop, you need a lot of concealer.
Yeah.
NARS is more when I have like super deep like line, like dark.
So many. There's so and they're all the same shade.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. And then I see some nail polish in here. There's no nail salons in Paris. There's like none. What is the deal?
I don't understand.
Yeah.
I always have to ask my girlfriends from set, my nail artist friends, to say, hey, can you like hook me up? But I always also do my nails in New York. Before I leave to Paris, I'm just gonna make sure I have
you get your nails done.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm like a huge fan of eyeshadow sticks.
Oh my god, you have so many.
It's so convenient. I just color my eyelids and I like blend it with my fingers and it's done.
That's it.
This is our last drawer. This is for eyeshadow.
Do you ever keep eyeshadow palettes just because they're pretty and then you don't ever use them? Okay, yeah.
Yes.
That's my problem too.
So you have the Puppy Sauvage in the packaging, but you also have the first one, the finals that are approved from the lab.
Look at these lab samples. I love a lab sample. So, oh my gosh.
That's the one you're wearing?
That is the one. I'm wearing this.
You know that this one is a very, very good highlighter. I don't know if
It
you
is.
use
I put it on the inner part of my eye.
You should try here.
Here? Okay.
It's so beautiful.
So special.
Yeah, you see you have all like the notes on the back.
That is so cool.
This is a lip pencil I'm obsessed about.
Oh, it's like a wine.
Yeah, I want to do this as a lipstick, but it's a tricky color to develop, and it's called wine. Of course, I have this one from Armani that is like an iconic red,
is it
beautiful
is it
400.
Yeah, 400.
Sure.
You're all about the lips, the glittery eyes, and the pencils.
Yes.
All right. Cool.
Exactly.
So let's go see where you keep.
You want to see skincare?
Yes, let's go see that.
So skincare is like my foundation, I would say.
Yes. I'm first drawn to these.
What are these?
What in the world is this?
This is homeopathy, gold and zinc, and usually you drink it. But Joël Sioko, who is like my skin guru in France, told me to use this on my skin. So selenium is like a big charge of antioxidant. It's like an overload on antioxidants.
Okay, so it's like an antioxidant serum in this little glass ampule.
So I'm pretty lucky because I never had any breakout one in my life. But last year I had a hormonal imbalance and I started to break out. I'm happy it happened to me because my job is to give advice to women, and unless it happened to you, you don't really understand.
Right.
So this is actually an amazing cure.
Okay.
The zinc ampoules, because that's gonna dry any of the pimples you have, any of the breakout you have, and then like treat it.
So you just break it open, pour it into your hand, and like tap it in?
Yes. You always have to do the most liquid to the most thick when you do your skincare, so this is like water, so I'm gonna start with this.
Okay, you'll have to go to France to get these, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, next trip, you know where I'm going. A&R.
Yeah, A&R, for sure. It helps my skin so much. I feel like when I travel so much in different climates, this is really helping my skin big time.
I know, sometimes I'll like not use it for a while and then I go back to it and I'm like, oh, it's so good.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. What's in there?
So, a bunch of secrets right here.
Let's see. God, look at all, this is like French skincare dreams. Ooh, look at this sunscreen, so chic.
That's from French Pharmacy. It's Uriage, it's the same brand that I use to clean my face in the morning. And that's like when my skin is super, like when it's super freezing in New York. That's very, very helpful. Turmeric mask is amazing.
Amazing color.
Then I have a few serum.
Oh my God.
My favorite foil mask from Estée Lauder. This is also...
Is this the one that has the foil?
Yes.
Yeah. If you've never tried these, it's like metallic
so
silver foil on your face. It's really freaky, but I like it.
So, second drawer is, I have a dry brush that I use every morning for blood circulation. That's the spray I
the
put.
dewy skin mist.
Yes. So that's more nail stuff.
Yeah.
And then I have hair. This I love. I use in my bangs to give it a little bit of a pinch. Of course, when you have bangs, you know you have to get dry shampoo.
This is the best dry shampoo on the planet, I think.
Yes, it's the best.
This Chlorine, you can get it at, I think, pharmacies now, here.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of this. It's a leave-in conditioner.
Milkshake.
And I just put it on and it gives this little shine and it smells amazing.
Oh my God.
Right?
It smells like a milkshake. So I feel like that was very organized for a makeup artist. Do you have anywhere else that you keep makeup?
We have like my office downstairs where I have all my professional products.
Oh my God, can we go see that?
Yes, let's go.
Yeah.
So here it is.
Whoa. This is so cool. So this is your creative space?
Yes, this is where everything is happening. It has to be very creative, and I have all my books here if I need to find some inspiration. All these are makeup pigments.
Oh my God. So do you like mix your own makeup colors or your own lipsticks?
Yes, that's how I started. I didn't have money to buy makeup. So I had this very small kit and I just bought pigments. And I was doing my own lipstick, my own eyeshadow on set. So that's where it came from.
So cool. But so then where do you keep the rest of the products we're talking about?
So we have a few things here.
Oh my. This is so organized. I'm like sweating.
Here we have a few skincare. Foundation concealers, bronzer highlighters, blushes, powders.
Just a few.
Here are accessories because you know I do.
What is this?
I do creative makeup.
What do you do
can
with
see
this?
like there is glitter on
everywhere. Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, now you have it on you.
Oh, that's good.
I used it to like put pigments on the girl's face at some point, but you need to be like a
you
pro
have more
to
than
use
one.
this.
You have two
Yeah,
turkey
in
faces,
case.
just in case. All right, what's in here? Is this a mix of
Lashes.
things that people send you and stuff that you buy? You know,
A lot have been sent to me,
Okay.
but I'm lucky that
they sent you a lot. Of
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And that's how I discover it. So then I use it.
on shoots and whatnot.
Yes, for my tutorials as well. So that's all the eye stick
Oh my
and
God.
eye pencil.
So organized.
It's so helpful because like this is a specific texture. I can just say, hey, I have this idea, I want to do this. Everything is to make my life easier because I'm hyperactive and I love to do many things, so I don't have time to struggle.
Right.
Then I'm going crazy. Here is the more creative stuff. All the oils I'm using, all like
Oh
the
my
bigger
God.
amounts of pigments. Then here you have like all the stickers.
Stickers.
I use a lot.
She's a sticker drawer.
I have in the basement huge boxes of for my future how do you call this giveaway?
Giveaway.
And but here is like really my creative bubble where I design my collection, I work, I create like the art direction for my beauty stories. It's all happening here.
This is your creative space.
Yes, I'm lucky to be able to have like such a nice creative bubble.
Yeah. Thank you so much for having us over today.
Thank you for coming.
Oh my gosh, your space was gorgeous. You're very organized, and I have to say, you're making me consider moving to Brooklyn.
Brooklyn is like, for me, it's like a little Paris.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.